Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment so logs are reliable. Install Android SDK platform tools and enable USB debugging on the device. This gives a DB access. In Unity, build a development APK or enable script debugging so stack traces include C hash symbols. Connect the device via USB and run a DB devices to confirm a recognized serial. Once done, make sure Unity's console logging is set to show Android logs. This prevents missing entries when you open Logcat. Next, you capture the Logcat stream and focus on relevant entries. Start with a DB Logcat vtime Unity, D**S to show Unity tags and silence others. This reduces noise. Alternatively, use Unity's external tools, Android Logcat window, which parses Unity messages and maps C hash stack traces. If you prefer files, run a DB Logcat vtime app log, txt so you can search later. Once running, reproduce the issue. Make sure to include timestamps and process ID for correlating events. Finally, analyze the captured logs and apply fixes. You'll match timestamps and thread ID to Unity C hash stack traces, then trace calls back to your scripts or plugins. This explains why crashes or freezes occur. For native crashes, symbolicate with your symbol files or ProGuard mapping so addresses become readable. If logs are missing, check a DB permissions, switch USB mode to file transfer, and confirm development build flags. One key troubleshooting tip: when Logcat is empty, restart a DB server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.